chocolates in a gift box is really good, but have you ever tried putting chocolates in an edible box? Arisa is showing us how to make an edible box, starting by melting high-quality chocolate, spreading it in a silicone mold and placing it in the freezer. Then it's time to take it out and repeat the process for all the box pieces. After we completed the chocolate boxes, it's time to cut them with the hot, sharp knife. You can heat up the knife with a torch, measuring the pieces and cutting them in equal sizes. Placing some boiling water in a square bowl and then a baking tray on top of it. Melting the edges of the chocolate pieces to attach them together. Carefully creating the box. Creating the bottom part of the box by melting the leftover chocolate pieces. Spreading it nicely and letting it chill, moving on to the next phase. Splattering a round silicone mold with red edible color and a brush. And then filling them with white melted chocolate. Time for the second filling, a yummy strawberry mousse. Taking out the excess and letting them chill. After they're completed, it's time to take out the excess. Homemade yummy chocolates. Preparing some more chocolate to melt. This time we mix it with heavy cream. The artist is adding some vanilla extract and a sprinkle of salt to create a better taste to the chocolate. This is how we create delicious truffles, decorating them with raspberry powder. Nothing beats homemade chocolates, truffles, or cakes. You can use your favorite toppings. The artist is decorating some other truffles with chocolate cocoa powder. Placing the truffles and chocolates in chocolate cups. This might be the best edible gift idea ever.